This message has been created by the SCP-Negative Foundation. SCP-001, also known as Stone Factory, has breached containment. SCP-001 is described as a factory, but the inside is dark and everything is made of stone.
Spores can be seen on pipes, walls, and machinery. We refer to these as SCP-001-1s. We have confirmed that these spores are a part of a building, which have a legit theory that the building is a life form.
SCP-001 can transform into different factories. All factory jobs will be shut down until the threat can be contained. All factory doors should not be opened. When SCP-001 doors are open, spores will be released from SCP-001-1s. If it comes in contact with any matter, organic or inorganic matter, will change its properties and turn into stone. All movement from matter will cease. Once turned to stone, it is impossible to turn life forms back to organic matter again. All attempts have results in. Here are some rules to keep you safe. Stay in your home. Stockpile foods for multiple weeks. In case SCP-001's doors are open, place a towel under the door. Close all windows. Turn off any electronics that brings air from the outside.